Okay, right children. So come to the third problem. Naina was given one by 2 piece of cake and Najmo was given one by 3 piece of cake. Find the total amount of cake was given to both of them. Okay, so here Naina taken one by 2 piece of cake. Najma taken one by 3 piece of cake. So total amount of cake was given to both of them. So how much total consumption of cake here? Both of them taken how much part of the piece of cake. Okay, so here total means here what you have to do? You have to find the addition. Okay, so here it is the fraction in the form of mixed. First we convert into mixed fraction to improper fraction. So then you can add the two improper fractions. So this one I am giving to you homework mark. So next to fourth one, fill in the blank boxes. Okay, fill in the boxes. So this one you have to solve now. Right, copy this one in the notebook. So fill in the blanks. So we have to fill which fraction will come. Okay. So from which fraction, if you subtract 5 by 8, will you get 1 by 4? So already this type of problems you have seen in the previous exercise. No? So like that problems you have to do here. Right. So first you don't know this fraction. So then what you have to do? You have to shift this one is equal to that side. That means that is called transpose. Okay. Transpose. So now I am going to transpose here 5 by 8. That become plus. Minus will become plus. It is a plus 5 by 8. Now 1 by 4 plus 5 by 8. It is easy enough to add the two fractions. Okay. So write the denominators are different. Find the LCM of 4 and 8. What is the LCM of 4 and 8? So obviously 8 only. Why? Because here it is the multiple of 4. 4 ones, 4 twos. Here 4 into 2 is equal to 8. That is LCM of 4 and 8 is 8. Now, to multiply by the LCM, numerator and denominator. That is 1 by 4 into 8 plus 5 by 8 into 8 by 8. Next, now cancel 4 ones, 4 twos, 8 ones, 8 ones. 1 into 2 is 2 plus 5 by 8. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. 7 by 8. It is proper fraction. Okay, 7 by 8. So which fraction here? We have to take here 7 by 8. So 7 by 8 means 7 by 8 is equal to what? Actually 2 by 8 will come. Okay na? So that means 7 by 8 minus 5 by 8 is equal to 2 by 8. If you simplify 2 ones, 2 fours, 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is correct answer? Right. So your required fraction is 7 by 8. So like that B and C. So say similar. So how did you solve this one? Same method here you have to apply. So that is, so you have to fill this box. Minus 1 by 5 is equal to 1 by 2. Here which fraction you have to transpose? Which fraction? Yes, minus 1 by 5. If you transpose, it becomes plus 1 by 5. Now find the LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. Now multiply the numerator by the 10. Next 1 by 5 into 10 by 10 is equal to 2 ones, 2 fives, 5 ones, 5 twos. 1 into 5 is 5 plus 1 into 2, 2 by 10. That is 5 plus 2 is equal to 7 by 10. So here required fraction is 7 by 10. Okay, 7 by 10 now minus 1 by 5. It gives 1 by 2. Is it clear? Right. So next to see here. 1 by 2 minus. So we need this unknown fraction. So is equal to 1 by 6. So which fraction here? We have to shift. Which fraction? 1 by 2, 1 by 6. Okay. So 1 by 6, it has a plus sign. If you shift that one, it becomes minus. Minus 1 by 6 is equal to LCM of 2 and 6. What is the LCM of 2 and 6? 6. Okay, so otherwise you find 2 ones, 2 threes. That is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. Okay, now 1 by 2 into 6 minus 1 by 6 into 6 by 6. Now simplify 2 ones, 2 threes. 6 ones, 6 ones. 1 into 3. 3 minus 1 into 1. 1 by 6. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2 by 6. Okay, so what is our required fraction? 2 by 6. Here 2 by 6. So like this we have to find the unknown fraction. Okay, na? Right children, so copy these all fractions. And the next see fifth problem, complete the addition subtraction box. Here addition box and the subtraction box here. At the row side we have to do addition, and with the vertical side, that is column side, you have to subtract the fractions. So A and B boxes, that is addition box, subtraction box, both box you have to fill. Okay, na? Right. Come to the sixth one. A piece of wire 7 by 8 meter long broke into two pieces. One piece was 1 by 4 meter long. How long is the other piece? So actually here the total length of the wire is 7 by 8 meters. Okay. So 7 by 8 meters length of wire broken into two pieces. Two pieces broken. Okay, so among two pieces, one piece is one length of one part is 1 by 4 meter. So what is the remaining part? So what is the remaining part means here you have to do the subtraction. Okay, na? First given values you write here. So that is first total length of wire. Okay, first given the total length of wire is how many meters? 7 by 8 meters. Okay, so length of one part, the wire broken into two pieces. In two pieces, one part given. What is that? The length of wire of one part. Length of one part. So how many meters that is? 1 by 4 meters. Next we have to find the remaining part. So remaining part means remaining part. Remaining part means from total length to subtract the one part. That is 1 by 8 minus 1 by 4 meters. See here subtraction, whenever you are doing the subtraction of two fractions, check the denominators. Okay, if the denominators are different, so first find the LCM of 8 and 4. LCM of 8 and 4 is 8. So otherwise we check here. So that is 4 ones, 4 twos. 2 ones, 1. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Okay, right. So now multiply the numerator and denominator by the LCM, that is 7 by 8 into 8 minus 1 by 4 into 8 by 8. Right. Next simplify 8 ones, here 4 ones, 4 twos. Here 7 into 1, that is 7 minus 2 by 8 is equal to 7 minus 2 is 5 by 8 meters. What is the length of second part? 5 by 8 meters. If you add these two, 1 by 4, 5 by 8, you will get 7 by 8 meters. Okay, so finally write therefore length of therefore the length of remaining part is 5 by 8 meters. 5 by 8 meters. Okay, students, next come to the Seventh problem. Nandini's house is 9 by 10 kilometers from her school. She walked some distance and then took a bus for 1 by 2 kilometers to reach the school. How far did she walk? So here Nandini house to school. Okay, how much distance? 9 by 10 kilometers. She walked some distance and then took a bus. Okay, for 1 by 2 kilometers to reach the school. How far did she walk? How much distance does she take from bus to school? Okay. So first we have to write the total length of the total distance from school house to school 9 by 10 kilometers. After how much distance she covered by bus? 1 by 2 kilometers. Okay, so here he asked how far did she walk? So here you have to find the subtraction. So total distance minus how much distance she covered by the bus. So find the two distances, that is find from school to house to school total distance minus and how much distance she covered by bus. Both fractions you have to subtract and find the how much distance is the remaining, that much distance she has traveled. Okay, that is I am giving to you homework. So write. Next to enter the 8th question. Asha and Samuel have bookshelves of the same size partly filled with the books. Asha's shelf is 5 by 6 full and Samuel's shelf is 2/5 full. Whose bookshelf is more full? By what fraction? Here both persons are there, Samuel, Asha and Samuel. So both have bookshelves. So Asha bookshelf is filled by how much part? 5 by 6. Okay, 5 by 6 part of the bookshelf is filled. Samuel bookshelf is filled 2/5. Then whose bookshelf is more? Whose bookshelf has more books? So then how much part of the fraction? What is the fraction? You have to find here. So then first what you have to do? First write the fraction of a bookshelf of Asha and Samuel. Then find the equivalent fractions of two bookshelves. So how much part they filled, that fractions you have to write, and then by what fraction asked, so that one you have to find the difference. Is it clear? Right. Okay, first given values right here. Okay, so right here first what is the fraction of so what is that fraction of books in Asha's shelf? Fraction of books in Asha's shelf. So how much part there? 5 by 6 part full. Okay. Next write the fraction of books. Fraction of books in whose shelf? Samuel's shelf. Samuel's shelf is 2/5. Okay, 2 by 5. Now here we have to find the whose bookshelf is more full. Okay, that means we have to compare two fractions. That is 5 by 6 and 2 by 5. So how will you compare these two fractions? So it is by finding the equivalent fractions. So see here 6 and 5. The LCM of 6 and 5 is 30. So that means here we have to find the equivalent fraction of denominator is 30. That is when will you get the denominator is 30 in the 5 by 6? So if you multiply the numerator and the denominator by the 5, then you will get 5 into 5 is 25 by 30. Then next to 2 by 5. So find the equivalent fractions of 2 by 5. The denominator is 30. So that is multiply the numerator and the denominator by the 6. 6 5 30 and 6 2 12. So then Asha's self is 25 by 30 part full. Here 2 by 5 means 12 by 30. So compare two fractions whose shelf is more. 25 by 30, 12 by 30. Whose shelf is more? So that is Asha's shelf. So okay na? So that is 5 by 6 is greater than 2 by 5. Asha's bookshelf is more than Samuel's bookshelf. By what fraction? By what fraction means find the difference. Difference of two members, that is 25 by 30 minus 12 by 30 is equal to. So that is 30 is common. So subtract the two numerators. 25 minus 12 is equal to 25 minus 12, that is 13. 13 by 30. So how much part of the book is difference from the two peoples? 13 by 30 fraction is the difference. Okay na? Very good. So write copy this one. Right children, come to the last problem. Jaidev takes 1 by 5 minutes to walk across the school ground. Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes to do the same. Who takes less time and by what fraction? So previous problem same like that here also given. So first you convert how many minutes to walk across the school ground Jaidev taken. So that one you have to convert into improper fraction. Rahul takes 7 by 4 minutes to do the same. So who takes less time? Who takes less time means here you have to find the subtraction. Okay, subtraction of these two fractions. So then after by what fraction means after finding these two fractions, you have to write who taken less time to walk across the school ground. Okay na? So this one I am giving to you homework. You have to do yourself. Okay children, so up to now we have completed 7th chapter. So already I given homework problems. We have to do that all problems neatly.
Students, I kept a small video for you based on fractions. Let you enjoy.
Give me. I want to read this book.
No, this is mine. I will read it. Hey children, what is the matter? I'm making cake for you. Mother, brother is snatching my book.
I want to read it now, Mother.
Don't fight. Why can't you read together? Always share things and never fight amongst yourselves. Okay? Okay, Mother. Children, I'm going to collect the wood. No fighting. Okay?
I'm hungry now.
Cake? Wow!
I need some food. Yeah, baby, I need some food. Yeah.
I also want to eat that cake. Looks so yummy. But how can I get it?
This whole cake is mine, as I got it.
No, it's mine. Last time you ate my share too.
Looks like they are fighting. Now I have a chance to get that cake. Hello friends, what is the matter? Why are you fighting?
We have one cake and we are not able to decide who should get this cake.
What is there to fight? Why don't you share it?
No, he always takes the bigger share.
We don't think we'll be able to share equally.
Say, how about you do this for us?
Certainly, I have settled many such disputes before. These fools will just keep on fighting. I should take advantage of this situation and satisfy my craving for the yummy cake.
I'm waiting for you, my cake. Come in. Yeah, baby, come in.
Let me cut it into two parts. Oops, so sorry, I couldn't cut it into two equal parts. I don't want you to fight amongst yourselves. Let me cut it again.
Yes, our share should be equal only. She should not get the bigger one.
This one is so small, not much of use. Let me eat it. Ah, what a big piece it is. I will now cut it into two equal parts. Just for you, my dear friends. Oh my God! Again I've done wrong. Let me eat the smaller one as it is of no use.
Hey, stop! You are eating away our cake. Go away.
What are you doing? You can't run away with our cake.
I don't work for free, friends. This I shall keep as my feast for helping you. I feel so good now.
entire cake. Mother was so right. We should have shared the cake instead of fighting.
Yes, sister. If only we had shared the cake ourselves instead of inviting an outsider to settle our dispute, we would have been eating the cake right now.
I agree, brother. Let us go and eat our lunch. I'm so hungry.
Yes, sister, let us go. We will share everything equally from now.